In this video, I'm going to show you how to create rooms on Facebook Messenger. So first, what you want to do is to go to Play Store and then search Messenger. Tap on it and make sure that you have updated your Messenger application, because if you don't update your Messenger application, this feature will not be available to you. So in my case, I have already updated it. I just want to open it now. And it takes me to this screen, and if you notice, there is an option to create room right away. So I'll just tap that. It is along the list of your online contacts, and here I could set the, and here I could make the, and here I can change some settings for the room. For example, who can join, and then I could also schedule it for later. And then once you've done with that, just tap on create room at the bottom. And then here, you could invite the friends that you want to join into the room, and then tap on finish. So now it says that my room has been created and it is being scheduled. Just tap on OK. And you could see that I have actually sent invitations to my contacts in the Messenger room. And that is how you create rooms on Facebook Messenger. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.